Hello, so for this assignment, I decided to do the social bookmark just because I'm already pretty active on Twitter and social media, so I wanted to try something new. So I decided to use Djo. Hopefully I pronounced that correctly. So I created an account through my Google, so I'm going to log in, and this is what it looks like when you log in. So your library, your outliners, your groups, and tools. So my library, I uploaded through this plus sign right here. So when you click on it, there's a place for URLs, images, PDFs, and notes. So I started with my images from our Twitter assignment, my Twitter handle, and then the Twitter discussion and my replies. Then I used the blue bookmark for URL to upload the link to our voice thread discussion. Right here, my two posts and then my 2 comments. And then next I uploaded our Flipgrid discussion, my Flipgrid discussion right here. And then the YouTube video of the screencast for our promoting of 21st century teaching and learning through instructional technologies. And then I went in and added the resources from our mini course. So the Flipgrid video, which I really enjoyed watching, about how it helps amplify student voice. And then I uploaded the What If, Let's Reimagine Learning, Technology Can Help video TED Talk. Excuse the ad. And then Melissa Marshall, Talk Nerdy to Me. TED Talk, which I really enjoyed watching as well. And then the tour of the PLN, which I enjoyed watching because I know everybody's PLN is different and they do it in different ways. And I really liked watching all the ones that she has. It's really cool. I personally only currently am using Twitter and Instagram, as well as just now starting this. So I'm sure you've noticed that I have tags on each of my posts. So when people search tags, your post will pop up if they search it. So if someone were to search the word Twitter, my post would pop up in their search. And then I put discussion tool, Flipgrid, screencast, YouTube, Flipgrid, TED for TED Talk, and then PLN. So that is how mine are organized. So if I were to click right here, these 2 would pop up for TED. And then if I wanted to look at all my Twitter posts, these 2 would be here. And then Flipgrid. So obviously as I continue uploading to this, there will be more tags and more things in each tag. So it's a great way to keep your PLN organized. So I wanted to show you my groups. So when you come up to the top and click my groups, I'm currently only in 4. I wanted to keep looking, but I really dug deep into these and I really like these. So I figured I'd start small and focus on these and really go through their postings and stuff. So I'll take you through them. So I did literacy with ITC, and you can see all the members have posted stuff and comment on things. Like this. I like this one. A principal's reflection, 6 ways to improve professional learning. So I could click on this and it would take me to their post, and I actually read it and I really liked it. And these are very important, especially as educators. So it really helps with your professional learning and your professional growth and making sure you're maintaining the high standard of professional learning. So I'm going to go back to the top and click my groups again. And these are my other 3. So I could click on them and do the same thing and find something that interests me and read more about it. So I wasn't really sure what this was until I really explored through it and looked out their information. And I actually really like it. And it would be awesome to share with my coworkers. Like we could all post stuff in our library and then create our own group and we could go see what they post. It's really good for professional learning. And I think even schools could do this and have it set up so their teachers could go look at videos or read articles over what they're currently discussing in their professional learning and growth. Thank you.